In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Sony. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now you need to find location icon, and when you find it, click on it. Then in this pop-up to disable location, select close. So when I click and go back, I can see that location of my Sony is disabled. If you wish to enable it, select the same No Black shortcut. You can also go into Devices settings and look for location over here. When you find it, click on it. Then select this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!